Alright, HVAC people, it is Sunday morning, first week of NFL football. We got a no cooling call, so we got to get these people some air. Alright, so I had to turn on the thermostat, and I can hear the refrigerant going through the line, so the condenser is turning on, but this blower is not. So the unit is on. You can see the LED, green LED. Like I said, Sunday. Hopefully it's just a capacitor, but maybe changing the blower motor out. Well, I guess it could be a control board issue too. Alright, so let's go to common to fan. Common to fan, I got 0 right now. Alright, anyway, I'm not gonna play around with it, cause there's probably a delay on the thermostat, but I already seen that the blower motor was not working, so I'm trying to find a ground right here and go to this black one. Okay, I think this black one might cool, so I'm getting 0 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and check this capacitor. So I'm also try to rotate the blower and see if it'll move. So the shaft is not stuck. So we're gonna check the capacitor. Alright, so we got a 7.5. And I'm getting 0. Oh, let's just hope it's a cap. So I got 0. Run to the truck and get a 7.5. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. Alright, so we got a 7.5 here. Test to make sure ain't nothing wrong with our meter or the capacitor. 7.39. That's good. That pretty much turned on right away. I want to check these amps. I let the customer know. Sometimes we replace these capacitors. Of course, I need to put the blower motor back on. I mean, the cover back on to check it. But I had known to replace the cap only. A few days later, the blower motor goes out. So I just want to make sure it's under amping. Well, not under amping, but in specs. So the amps look like 6.8. I got 6.8 amps. With the door off, I got 6.3, so it's not over amped. Yeah, 6.3. All right, so I'm gonna call this one good. They should have some air to watch the game. All right. Should kick on. I'm gonna go take a look at the thermostat. I don't know if I need to take this back up or not. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.